Hello friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria aka Sita from Sita's Budgeting Journey, and I'm so happy you're here. If you are new, please consider subscribing, and if you're returning, you already know I love and appreciate you all. Alrighty guys, in today's video I have some money here. I believe it's $150, but we will be checking soon, and we will be cash stuffing our sinking funds. Let me count this real quick, make sure we have $150, and we'll get started. Okay, that's 80, 590, 95, 100, 510, 15, that's 115. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. $150 going into our sinking funds. Now, for those of you who saw my last video, this here came from my savings challenge binder. The challenge was exactly $300, which should have been going to my sinking funds. But guys, I've decided to split that money in between my sinking funds and my mortgage payoff. I am serious about getting that paid off. And what better time than now to start saving for that? So let's see where we're going to put some of this money at. We are going to add $10 to self-care. So let's take that 10 out and add it here. Birthdays, we are going to, let's add 15, so that would make it 20, yes. We've got fun day. Let's add 20 because we're always using up our fun day money. Lawn care, the season is upon us. We're going to take this 5 out, and we are going, I was going to add, you know what, let me just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I thought we had a 20. So we've got 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $70 towards our lawn care, which should start next month. Shopping, let's do 10. Vacation, we are going to add, let's add 10 to vacation. Medical, let's add, okay, let's add another 10 to medical. Oh, Sam's Club. Sam's Club's always taking my money. Let's add 20 to Sam's Club. We just went to Sam's Club and did a large order, so hopefully we'll be able to bulk this up some before it's time to go there again. Car maintenance, let's add $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to grab a $5 bill from here. That gives us 50. Okay, pet care. Guys, I'm not sure where we were because I got a phone call and I thought I hit record and I didn't. So here I am trying to figure out what I did. I don't know. Anyways, instead of taking my phone down and trying to, rewind and see where I left off, I'm just going to try and wing it. Now, let me just go back here. We did car maintenance. Pet care, we have $10. I added an additional 5. Yes, I added 5 more to school. And I think we added 10 to home, and I said we had $5 left. I wasn't sure where I was going to put that money, so I am going to put it over on their birthdays because we have quite a few birthdays coming up. Alrighty, guys, I believe that is all I have for you today. Like I said, I'm going to start prioritizing saving for my mortgage payoff. I want to start making lump sum payments. Now, in addition to using the savings challenge book that I used yesterday, I think I might start minis again because, you know, the minis really help us save a whole lot quicker. To me, instant gratification is that within itself is a motivation. So I think I'm going to start my minis again. I'll need to set up a binder, and I'm talking about these changes that I plan on incorporating now because the beginning of April starts a new quarter, and I want to be set. I want to be prepared with whatever changes I need to implement by then. You guys, let me know in the comments if you plan on changing anything, what you've accomplished during this first quarter, and what your plans are for the remainder of the year. Did you meet your goals that you had set for yourself for the first quarter, or are you close to meeting them? Because let's face it, the month isn't over yet, but we're going to blink, and I promise you, we'll be talking about April 1st. Alrighty, guys, that is it for today. Let me go check on these kiddos. You guys have a beautiful day. Take care of yourselves. Stay blessed, and we will be chatting soon.